In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add experts in MetaTrader5. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you understand not just what to click, but also what's actually happening on your screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate and add an expert advisor using the insert menu in MetaTrader5, and you'll feel comfortable repeating the process on your own. First, make sure MetaTrader5 is open and you're logged into your trading account. You should have at least one chart open because experts are attached to individual charts. If you don't have a chart open yet, you can open one from the Market Watch window by right-clicking on a symbol and selecting Chart Window. Once your chart is ready and visible, move your attention to the top of the MetaTrader5 platform. Along the main menu bar, you'll see options like File, View, Insert, and others. To begin adding an expert, click on the Insert menu. This is the menu that allows you to add various elements to your chart, such as indicators, objects, and of course, experts. After you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Experts. Move your mouse over it and click on it. This tells MetaTrader5 that you want to work specifically with expert advisors, which are automated trading programs that can analyze the market and place trades according to the rules they've been given. When you click on Experts, you'll see a list of available expert advisors that are already installed in your MetaTrader5 platform. These might include built-in examples or any custom experts you or someone else has added previously. Take a moment to look through the list, and when you're ready, choose the expert you want to add by clicking on its name. As soon as you choose an expert, a settings window will typically open. Here you can review and adjust things like input parameters, risk settings, or whether live trading is allowed for that expert. It's important to understand these options before you click OK, because they control how the expert will behave on your chart. Once you're satisfied with the settings, confirm them, and you'll see the expert attached to your chart. That's all there is to it. Click on Insert, click on Experts, and choose the expert you want to add.